Key factors to consider while machine learning training. What is machine learning? Machine learning, algorithms that generates algorithm. Machine learning is the calculation, study of computer algorithms that enriches automatically through experience. In fact, machine learning is a group of approaches and methods that enable computers to automate data-driven model building. Benefits of machine learning. The benefits and usefulness of machine learning technology are: take caring the medical patients in any contagious pandemic like COVID-19. Machine learning automates data and it can save your time. It helps the researchers to understand the bigger picture. Monitoring your surveillance system, whether through on-site video monitoring or remote monitoring, allows you to see what has happened and quickly respond. Computational methods to learn information directly from data without relying on a predetermined equation. Avoiding spam, filtering email spam. Online chatbot customer support. Fraud identifying online. Speech recognition. Better product recommendation based on browsing history while purchase online. Key considerations of machine learning. As you know, machine learning algorithms are frequently used in more and more products and services. There are several essential factors must be well thought out when addressing AI, such as influences in socio-economic sector. I might discriminate against some individuals because of data biasness. Excessive use of data at the cost of user privacy. Adversarial learning. Malicious actors can cause security and safety issues. I might make choices without ethics. Want to learn more? Visit Tonex.com for machine learning training, courses and workshops.